In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Quillbot for improved writing assistance 2023. We'll start from a fresh browser window and end with a clean paraphrased version of your text in a different language, using Spanish as our example. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Quillbot. This is the quickest way to land on the official site. Look for the result that's from Quillbot.com and click it to go straight to Quillbot's homepage. If you're already familiar with the site, you can jump right in, but coming through Google helps you avoid lookalike pages. Once you're on the homepage, find and click the paraphrasing tool. This is the main workspace where you'll paste or type the text you want to rework. You'll see two panels, one for your original text and one for the output. Go ahead and type or paste your content into the left panel. Keep it clean and plain. Remove any personal or sensitive details you don't want processed. Short paragraphs are easier to evaluate, so if your text is long, consider working in sections for clarity. Now, locate the language drop-down within the paraphraser interface. It's typically near the top or alongside the input settings. This control tells Quillbot the language you want for your output. Open the drop-down and browse the list of available languages. For this walkthrough, choose Spanish. Selecting the target language here ensures the tool will produce your rewritten text in that language, not just tweak your original style. With your text ready and Spanish selected, click the button to run the tool. This may be labeled paraphrase or rephrase depending on your view. Quillbot will process your input and display a revised version in Spanish in the output panel on the right. Give it a moment. Longer passages can take a bit more time. When the result appears, read through it carefully. Paraphrasing is designed to preserve meaning while changing wording, so check that key terms, dates, and names look correct. If anything seems off, you can slightly adjust your original sentence and run it again for a cleaner result. For nuanced topics or technical writing, a quick proofread by a fluent speaker is always helpful to ensure tone and context are preserved. And that's it. You've navigated to Quillbot, opened the paraphrasing tool, entered your text, selected Spanish from the language dropdown, and generated a polished output. Use the same steps for any other supported language to tailor your writing assistance exactly to your needs.